Ever feel like life throws you curveballs?
Mm.
I mean, when you least expect it.
Yeah.
That's Connie's life, basically in a nutshell.
Oh, no.
Yeah, she ends up in not one, but two car accidents.
Oh, wow.
But you know what? This deep dive isn't about bad luck.
Okay.
It's about being prepared.
Okay.
And you see, Connie's story really highlights how important having evidence can be.
Absolutely.
We're going to unpack what she did right, what almost went wrong, and what you can learn from her experience.
So what's interesting here is that while we all know car accidents happen,
Uh-huh.
we often don't think about the importance of evidence until we're in that situation.
It's true.
You know,
Yeah.
police reports are important.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
But they don't always capture the whole picture.
exactly.
Yeah.
So let's rewind to Connie's first accident.
Okay.
Now, we don't have all the details, but it seems like a pretty standard fender bender.
Okay.
She's able to settle with the other driver's insurance.
Okay.
And this is where things get interesting.
Okay.
What does Connie do with some of that settlement money? She invests in a dash cam.
That's a smart move.
Right.
And it really highlights a crucial point. Being proactive about protecting yourself.
Yeah.
You can be the safest driver in the world,
Right.
but you can't control what other people do on the road.
Right. It's like that old saying goes, hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Exactly.
And in this case, that preparation turned out to be absolutely crucial.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately, Connie does end up in another accident,
Oh, no.
this time at an intersection.
And this second accident really throws a wrench into things.
It does.
Yeah.
Imagine this. You're at an intersection, and suddenly, bam,
Oh.
you're in an accident. You're shaken up, needing an ambulance. So you don't get a chance to talk to the police at the scene.
And without that opportunity to share your side of the story, you're relying on the other driver's account,
Right.
which might not be completely accurate.
Yeah.
Or even intentionally misleading.
And to make matters worse for Connie, that's exactly what happens.
Oh, no.
The other driver's version of events ends up in the police report.
Yeah.
And let's just say it doesn't paint the most favorable picture for Connie. So the insurance company gets this police report,
Yeah.
and they're naturally skeptical of Connie's claim.
Right.
It's a classic case of he said, she said.
Exactly.
Right.
And unfortunately, in these situations, without additional evidence, it can be very difficult to challenge a police report,
Yeah.
especially, for the average person who might not be familiar with the legal nuances.
Exactly. It feels like an uphill battle.
Right.
But here's where Connie's earlier decision to invest in that dash cam
Yeah.
really pays off.
Yeah, this is a perfect illustration of why having that independent, objective evidence is so crucial.
Yes.
A dash cam provides a time-stamped visual record of what happened.
It's like having a silent witness.
Yes.
That captures everything.
Well, yeah.
And what does this silent witness reveal? Well, the footage shows Connie proceeding into the intersection on a green light almost all the way through when suddenly, bam, the other driver who had a red light slams right into her.
Wow. The dash cam footage completely changes the narrative. It doesn't just clear Connie's name, it actually proves the other driver was at fault.
Yeah. Talk about a game changer. So what happens next? I'm guessing the insurance company sees this footage and has a change of heart.
It definitely gets their attention. You see, this is about more than just determining who's at fault.
Okay.
The dash cam footage establishes Connie's credibility.
Yeah.
It shows she's not trying to pull a fast one.
Right.
She has proof to back up her claim.
It's a powerful reminder that in these kinds of situations, having that objective evidence can make all the difference.
Absolutely. And it's not just limited to dash cams.
Right.
There are other steps you can take at the scene of an accident to protect yourself.
Like what else could someone in Connie's situation have done?
Eyewitness accounts are incredibly valuable.
Yeah.
If you're able to try to get contact information from anyone who witnessed the accident,
Okay.
even a quick photo of their driver's license can be helpful.
That's a good tip.
Yeah.
I never would have thought of that.
And don't forget about the power of your smartphone.
Oh, yeah.
Take pictures of the damage to all the vehicles involved,
Okay.
the position of the cars, even the weather conditions that day.
It's all about painting as complete a picture as possible, right?
Exactly, because even if you think you'll remember every detail,
Right.
memories fade.
Yeah.
And having that visual record can be incredibly important later on.
So it's about being your own advocate
Yeah.
and taking those extra steps to protect yourself. It's like they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words.
Right.
But in this case, it could be worth a whole lot more.
Yeah.
Our sources mentioned something kind of interesting about police body cam footage.
Okay.
It's not always around forever, right?
That's right. It's something that most people don't realize.
Right.
Police departments often have limited storage, so that footage might only be kept for a certain amount of time.
Oh, wow.
Sometimes as little as 60 to 90 days.
So if you need that footage, you got to act fast.
Yes.
It's like a ticking time bomb.
Exactly.
Of evidence.
Requesting that footage as soon as possible is crucial.
It's getting added to the checklist.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've seen how dash cams can be a game changer in car accidents.
Mm.
But let's zoom out for a second.
Okay.
This whole idea of being an evidence gatherer, it's not just about fender benders, right?
Right.
It feels applicable to so many other areas of life.
Right. You're absolutely right. Think about it. Disagreements with contractors, disputes with neighbors, even just trying to remember the details of an event accurately.
Yeah.
Having a reliable record can be invaluable.
It's like that aha moment when you find the receipt that proves you returned that sweater.
Exactly.
Vindication.
Yeah.
We carry these powerful tools right in our pockets, our smartphones.
Right.
Text messages, emails, voice memos, even social media posts. They can all serve as a record of what happened.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it's not about being distrustful.
Right.
It's about being prepared.
Sure.
Just like Connie's dash cam helped ensure a fair outcome in her accident, being mindful of these things in other areas of our lives can protect us from misunderstandings,
Right.
false claims, or even just faulty memories.
It's like building a safety net for your peace of mind.
Yes.
Connie's story may have started with a couple of car accidents, but the lessons here are universal.
Absolutely. And it makes you think.
Yeah.
In our increasingly digital world, how can we all become more effective evidence gatherers in our own lives? It's a question worth pondering.
It is a question worth pondering. A little dash of awareness, just like that dash cam, can go a long way.